Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Budget.
What does the dictionary say?
An estimate of income and expenditure for a set period of time.
Math rap.
To plan and keep an eye on money in and money out. A budget uses math to avoid financial drought. Add income over here, keep track of outcome over there. A budget means you're financially aware.
Math rap.
What do you tell a friend who has a debt so big that they can't budget? Budget. Define budget in your own words. Why might a budget be important? List typical expenses involved in owning a home. Create a budget for how you can begin to save money for future goals like a small or large upcoming purchase. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!